Okay, members, welcome back. The second video, let us look at the primary sources of information literacy. If we say primary sources, what do we mean? We mean sources that you get from the original set of what you have got. Now, the first one is the research articles and scientific studies. This one means original reports written by researchers after completing experiences or studies. For example, like a scientist publishes a paper about a new medicine they have tested. Let us look at the second one, which is historical documents that contain information from the past. Information from the past. These are all records that tell us about events. Examples, a letter written by President 100 years ago. Number three is interviews and eyewitness accounts. These are direct stories from people who experience an event. For example, a person who saw a flood explains what happened more. Like you cannot get it through a passive voice or words, but a person who was there during the incidents explains more about everything. Number four is statistical data and raw data sets. These are numbers and facts collected from research or surveys. For example, a government report showing a number of students in a school. Then we have art- artifacts and original works. These are objects or artworks made by people in the past. Number six, we have legal documents that are accepted in the society or accepted by the law. These are official papers from courts or government or agreements. For example, a country's constitution or a marriage certificate. That one is accepted and can be evidence in everything you do and everywhere you go. Number seven, we have surveys and questionnaires, which are answers collected directly from people to the study of a topic. Number eight, we have graphics and memories. Then number nine, we shall look at government records and reports. These are official documents from a government about events, laws, or statistics. Then the last one, we have first and experiment results. These are results from an experiment by a person or group of people. For example, a farmer tests two types of seeds and records which one grows better. Yes, the sources. Remember, primary sources are sources that give original information without being changed or explained by others. Mention there was an accident somewhere and you're there live. You're the person who will collect information first from the source and you will explain more how the accident was caused and everything that happens. You will be in position to give it directly to people. That is what we constitute with the primary sources of information. I salute you all. Have a nice time.